Alright, here I'm going to show you how to link up your table of contents to a slide. So as you see here, we have the Lego station for reading activities. What you're going to do is you're going to highlight the whole entire thing, and then what you can either do is right click, link, or there's a link icon right up here as well. It says insert link. Then right there, what you do is you're going to link it, make sure you link it to your presentation. Make it a little bit easier to see here. So I'm going to click it up here, click on link. Slides in the presentation is your little drop down here, and then you got your scroll bar, and you'll scroll down to where you'll see the Lego guy. So it says text right there, link there, and then you're going to click on that, and then it gets highlighted. So here in the presentation mode, we'll give it a try. So you'll see it's highlighted, click it on here, and it goes right to it. There you go. How to link your table of contents to each slide. All right.